powerful, powerful army.
First image that comes to my mind is when they're just marching in Tiananmen Square and all those places.
The People's Liberation Army coming to power. That's the first image that comes to mind.
Powerful? Yeah, it's a very big army.
There's so many of them.
Disciplined, uniformed, well-groomed.
Oh, millions of them together marching in line.
The Chinese army is amazing. I mean, they're diligent guys. They're hard-working guys. They're people that really are fighting for their country.
They're fighting for their family, their children, for their country.
I think they might have better weapons than we do.
I really think they're stronger than ours, to be honest.
When I see the Chinese army, they more advanced for technologies. They more training muscle and kung fu.
The Chinese are very brilliant people, and they have had great improvements in their technology as of late, and they've really built a very vast and powerful military army, particularly the Navy, which is new. The Chinese never had a major naval. I understand they have big aircraft carriers now. I keep an open mind about the Chinese and the Chinese people. The Chinese people don't hate us. We don't hate them.
I love the Chinese army.
It's cool to learn something new about the Chinese army.
I would guess, China is a large country that is increasingly industrialized and prosperous, so it probably has a technologically advanced military.
I hope they want to build their country strong, so they did not fight with somebody. So it's our opinion.
I think they're going to be number one in the next 25 years. I think they're going to be the strongest country in the world as the way things are going, whether it be their economy or their military.
我爱你